Going to talk about sinharaja forest. The sinharaja forest is in Sri Lanka. Did you know, dear friends? The sinharaja forest is world heritage, and the forest is very beautiful. There are many trees and animals in this forest. If we get birds, there are jungle fowl, lanka saralihiniya, giramalita, gurukondeya, wataradu malkoha, paluambassa, ratudemalicha. If we get fishes, bulathapaya, galpandiya, leyatithya, patiranasalaya, ashokapetiya, bandulapetiya. There are also many fishes in this forest. And Yakkatusa, Ankatusa, Vairiyaldanda, Diyanaya, Palapalanga, they also. These animals are admins to only Sri Lanka. And if we get trees, there is Godepare, Diyapare, Kudalu, Horror. There are many admins trees in this forest. We have to go 3 roads to this forest, and this forest is very big forest. There are many people come to look this forest, and the other countries humans are also come to look this forest. Okay, my friends, my is over. Let's end next page. Thank my video. Goodbye.